Greetings and welcome to the Astronomy Picture of the Day podcast. Today's picture is titled Jupiter and Venus from Earth. So what do we see here? Well, here we see a conjunction of two planets, and that occurs when they are close together in the sky. And the two planets in this case are Jupiter on the left and Venus on the right. Venus being the brightest non-stellar object in the sky after the sun and the moon, and Jupiter being right beyond that. So they are very bright objects that we can see and usually stand out quite well when they're visible in the sky. Now, they're even more prominent when they happen to be close together. And in fact, here in 2012, they were about 3 degrees apart. So there's a big distance there, and you can see that the photographer used his daughter to take this picture and kind of whimsically pose near the two planets. Now, at this point, they were 3 degrees apart, which would be about 6 full moons. So reasonably good distance apart. Now we're seeing this again, and Jupiter and Venus are together this week after sunset and will pass within 1 degree of each other in about 2 days from now. So in just 2 days, they will be very close together, only a little more than the diameter of the full moon between them. And that will mean we'll see two relatively bright objects very close together in the evening sky right after sunset. So it's a good chance to be able to see these two, to pick out them very easily in the sky, as they'll be very bright and they'll be very close together and visible all over the world in the evening right after sunset. So it doesn't really matter where you are, as long as it is reasonably dark and you're looking right after sunset, you will see Jupiter and Venus off in the distance here. Now, a conjunction like this, they occur relatively often. The better conjunctions, the closer they are together, those are even more rare. So while we'll see the planets come close to each other every year or a couple of years, we'll have some conjunction of the planets. To have them really getting this close to within 1 degree is a pretty close thing to occur. So perhaps over the next couple of days, you'll get a chance yourself, weather permitting, to be able to see these two objects close together in the sky. And again, that would be the planet Jupiter, which we're seeing here from 2012 off to the left, and the planet Venus off to the right. But we'll be seeing the same kind of thing, except they will be 3 times closer together over the next couple of days. So that was our picture of the day, titled Jupiter and Venus from Earth. We'll be back again tomorrow for the next picture. So until then, have a great day, everyone, and I will see you in class.